Hello, friends. So let's see today's transit of Venus. Venus is in Gemini and with Jupiter, and it is in trine of Rahu. So yeah, especially I see in Navansha, it is going into the sign of Capricorn. So yeah. So basically, Venus and Jupiter is in the sign of Capricorn in Navansha, and Venus is going from Gemini to 8th house of itself. So there is a lot of fear of work, some transformation in the work, some changes in the work may happen, and it can be a little bit difficult, but yeah, there is the possibility of that. And second, it is in trine of Rahu is aspecting Jupiter and Venus. You know what happens when Rahu makes connect with Jupiter and Venus? We fight with our own people, or we fight with people who are good advisors to us. We try to tend to try to be very it becomes very frustrating also. But yeah, Venus and Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Rahu. Though Rahu is in trine to them, it is good for gains, but not good for communication, because it will break some kind of communication with your elders, with your siblings, with your partners. Especially this is a period where most number of dating apps can be downloaded, deleted, downloaded and deleted. And also there is lot of possibility, if you have very bad combination, there's also chances of getting scammed in relationship or in banking related things. So be very careful before signing anything. And yeah, so right now anyways, Gemini, a lot of heaviness in your communication, lot of anxiety in your communication. It will affect your confidence also, because Mercury is also retrograde. And this period is a lot of planning and paperwork, and especially the paperwork for either for housing or vehicle, either this or that, some kind of beautification of house, or some kind of search for beauty things related to luxury beauty, fashion apps and all that thing will happen right now. So that's why a lot of expenses will happen. So either you control this so that later you don't get anxiety of having too many expenses, because right now two heavy planets in Gemini, where especially Jupiter is not very good combination, for it is a Maran Karak position. It is especially in, I've seen a lot of sexual abuses. Jupiter in Gemini is not a very very good combination, like a turkey type of combination it is. But I hope you understood what I'm saying. But yeah, this that's what I'm saying, it is not a very good combination. So be careful in taking very big decisions. Yes, for planning and all, for organizing thing, it's good. And once Venus or Jupiter moves in Cancer, the things may manifest. But till then, it is very good to learn new things. It is very good to learn some artistic things and all. For that it is very good. And also for some kind of pujas and fast. And here you have to make Jupiter strong. And because Jupiter is getting afflicted by Rahu in Ardra Nakshatra, Jupiter Rahu combination is kind of dhokadhadi ka combination. So either you will be doing, or try, if you have very strong combination in your chart also, so either you will be doing some kind of dhokadhadi. It can be minute level also. It doesn't have to be big, but there will be something which you are hiding in terms of work, or in terms of your communication. So that's how it can manifest. Now you see, or you ask yourself, what could be that thing. Yeah, so this was Jupiter and Venus in Gemini. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.